Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can change your name in Minecraft Bedrock. If you're not happy with your current name, you can easily change it. So first, from the main menu, you need to go to settings and then on the left side, scroll down and select accounts. From there, press change Gamertag and the action will open the Xbox or website. When your Xbox account is linked, once there, click on change gamer tag again, and you can then type in your desired name. Please note that your first gamer tag change is free. Subsequent changes will require payment. And once you've completed the steps, your new name will be updated in the Minecraft Bedrock across all your devices. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.